ಹಾಯ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿವಸ 4th ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಟರಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಷನ್ ಲೆಸನ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಂದಿನ 3 ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಟರಿ ಕೂಡ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಡ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕಾಪೀಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಟೆಲಿಗ್ರಾಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರಿವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ವಿತೌಟ್ ವೇಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಚ್ ಟೈಮ್, ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಟರಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮನ್ನು ಶುರು ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಹಿಂದಿನ 3 ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಟರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿತ್ತು ಸೇಮ್ ಟು ಸೇಮ್. ಸೊ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರೀರಿ, ಆಪ್ಷನನ್ನು ಬರೆದು ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 20 ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 20 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನೇನಾದರೂ ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನನ್ನು ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ಲಿ ಜಿಯೋಟ್ರೋಪಿಕ್, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ಲಿ ಜಿಯೋಟ್ರೋಪಿಕ್, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ಲಿ ಫೋಟೋಟ್ರೋಪಿಕ್, ನನ್ ಆಫ್ ದೀಸ್. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್? ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್. ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೀರಿ. Yes, let us go for next question. Movement of sunflower in accordance with the path of sun is due to. Movement of sunflower in accordance with the path of sun is due to chemotropism, geotropism, phototropism, hydrotropism. Movement of sunflower in accordance with the path of sun is due to. Okay, let us go for the next question. Which plant hormone promotes cell division? Which plant hormone promotes cell division? Auxin, gibberellin, cytokinin, abscisic acid. Among 4 hormones, which will help in promoting the cell division? Yes, let us go for the next question. Any change in the environment to which an organism responds is called. Options are stimulus, coordination, response, hormone. Any change in the environment to which an organism responds is called. Most of the important concept I chose for this examination. Okay, let us go for the next question. Which nerves transmit impulses from the central nervous system towards muscle cells? ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ವಿಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೆನ್ಸರಿ ನರ್ವ್ಸ್, ಮೋಟಾರ್ ನರ್ವ್ಸ್, ರಿಲೇ ನರ್ವ್ಸ್, ಕ್ರೇನಿಯಲ್ ನರ್ವ್ಸ್. ವಿಚ್ nerve cells transmit impulses from central nervous system towards the muscle cells? Okay, let us go for the next question. Posture and balance of the body is controlled by. Posture and balance of the body is controlled by. Options are pons, medulla oblongata, cerebellum, cerebrum. Posture and balance of the body is controlled by. Choose your right answer. Okay, next question. Which part of nervous system controls the reflex activities of the body? Options are brain, spinal cord, cerebrum, cerebellum. Which part of nervous system controls the reflex activities of the body? Options are brain, spinal cord, cerebrum, cerebellum. ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಅಂದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೆನಪಿಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ವರ್ಡ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ. ಎಸ್, ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. Identify which of the following statements about thyroxine is incorrect. Options are: thyroid gland requires iodine to synthesize thyroxine. Thyroxine is also called thyroid hormone. It regulates protein, carbohydrates and fat metabolism in the body. Iron is essential for the synthesis of thyroxine. Identify which of the following statements about the thyroxine is incorrect. ಇನ್ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟನ್ನು ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, let us go for the next question. Which gland secretes the growth hormone? Which gland secretes the growth hormone? Options are: pituitary gland, thyroid, hypothalamus, adrenal. Which gland secretes the growth hormone? Choose your right answer. The gland secretes the growth hormone. Okay, let us go for next question. The secretion of which hormone leads to physical changes in the body when you are 10 to 12 years of age? Options are: estrogen from testis and testosterone from ovary, estrogen from adrenal gland and testosterone from pituitary gland, testosterone from testis and estrogen from ovary, testosterone from thyroid gland and estrogen from pituitary gland. The secretion of which hormone leads to physical changes in the body when you are 10 to 12 years of age? Next question. A diabetic patient suffers from deficiency of which hormone? Options are: thyroxine, testosterone, estrogen, insulin. A diabetic patient suffers from deficiency of which hormone? Thyroxine, testosterone, estrogen, insulin. Choose the right answer. Okay, let us go for the next question. The substance that triggers the fall of mature leaves and fruits from plant is? The substance that triggers the fall of mature leaves and fruits from plants is? Options are: auxin, gibberellins, abscisic acid, cytokinin. Auxin, gibberellins, abscisic acid, cytokinin. The next question is: the gap between two neurons is? The gap between two neurons is dendrite, synapse, axon, impulse. Dendrite, synapse, axon, impulse. Gap between two neurons is? Next question. Involuntary actions in the body are controlled by? Involuntary actions in the body are controlled by medulla in forebrain, medulla in midbrain, medulla in hindbrain, medulla in spinal cord. Choose your right answer. Okay, next question. Select the mismatched pairs. Here you have to choose the mismatched pair. Options are adrenaline, pituitary gland, testosterone, testis, estrogen, ovary, thyroxine, thyroid gland. Which is wrong among this? Which is wrong among this? Okay, the next question is, a doctor advised a person to take an injection of insulin because options are his blood pressure was low, his heart was beating slowly, he was suffering from goiter, his sugar level in blood was high. A doctor advised a person to take an injection of insulin because okay, let us go for next question. What is the correct direction of flow of electrical impulses? What is the correct direction of flow of electrical impulses? Look at the neurons, that means nerve cells here. So what is the correct flow of direction? Look at the diagrams carefully. Which option is showing the correct flow of electrical impulse? You have to choose. Just write the option number. No need of writing the diagram. Just write the option number. Yes, now let us go for the next question. A human hormone reducing blood flow to the digestive system and skin during stress is. Stress ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ಯಾವ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ನೆನಪಿಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು? Options are thyroxine, adrenaline, growth hormone, insulin. Thyroxine, adrenaline, growth hormone, insulin. Okay, now let us go for next question. Which of the following act as both endocrine and exocrine gland? Options are pancreas, thyroid, adrenal, liver. The gland which act as both endocrine and exocrine. Choose the right answer. Okay, now let us go for the next question. And the last question. Which of the following is not an involuntary action? Which of the following is not an involuntary action? Vomiting, salivation, heartbeat, chewing. Among these, which is not an involuntary action? Okay, that's it for today's preparatory examination, children. So if you have finished writing the answers, you can send in the Telegram group for the correction. Please send the answers individually so that I can correct it immediately and send the marks fastly. Tomorrow you will be having preparatory examination for carbon and its compounds lesson. Prepare well for the concept and attend the examination tomorrow sharp at 7 p.m. Thank you so much. Take care and all the best.